It is in this triggering of subconscious recognition in the audience that the encoded concept can begin to semiotically work. Peirce states that nothing is a semiotic sign until it is perceived as something more than the obvious denotation. The colour red is red, but when placed into a design for a fire extinguisher or on a heart shape, the colour red can be connotatively reread as red meaning something more than red. In this basic example, red is not red. Red is now semiotically read as meaning danger, fire, or passion, love, romance. Within semiosis, red is working at the lowest level of representation of a concept. It has been used as an iconic building block within a visual language to subconsciously trigger recognition in the target audience as a fast track to meaning.